Hey Milwaukee, this is Dr. Mike, and I want to introduce to you a very special and unique chiropractic technique, and it's called the zone technique. This is a spinal cord stimulation technique used to reset the 6 different parts of the brain which control the 6 main systems in the body. Now it's important to note that every cell in your body, every aspect, everything in your body is in one of these 6 systems. So outside of an externally created disease such as a gunshot wound, a fall from a roof, or a splinter, any of these internal diseases and conditions and pain is going to be due to a disturbance of one of these 6 systems. So now with this, we're able to get some results that other chiropractors or other professions or other medications or other therapies may not have been able to get. Now I'm a big believer in results. Like whatever works, I love it. At the end of the day, results is the only thing matters, because without that, this is all just Mickey Mouse, right? So what's really possible with the zone technique? Well, I can tell you we've had some great results in here. First thing that comes to mind is I had a 45-year-old woman come to me. Now, every single day for 15 years, she would throw up after dinner and she would go to the bathroom number 2 only 1 time every 4 to 5 days. That is a problem. Now she had saw other chiropractors, she saw the medical doctors, she tried some minor surgery, she tried the medications. Nothing worked because she had for over 15 years. And I'm happy to say she came to me and she responded really quickly. In 3 visits, she was 100% regular, going to the bathroom every single day, and she was no longer throwing up. And we've had other conditions where a 16-year-old girl came in every single day for 6 years. She had headaches and nausea, constant, 365, 24/7, every single day. And for her, it was 6 visits that we were able to get her completely get rid of her headaches, completely got rid of her nausea, and now she's a happy 17, 18-year-old now. So the zone technique, very powerful. Let me cover the 6 different zones. So the first zone is going to be the glandular system. So the part of the brain which controls all of the glands and hormones. This is going to have an effect on sleep, on mood, on anxiety and depressive type of symptoms, on skin and hair, on energy, on digestion, on elimination. It's really going to touch almost every aspect of your body. Next is going to be the eliminative zone. So we're talking about the sinuses, the mouth, the throat, the lungs, skin, anywhere in the body, the kidneys, bowel, and bladder. Next we have the neurological system. So anything neurological, the health of the brain, the spinal cord, and any of the nerves that are going to the different areas of the body. So with this, we're talking about weakness, we're talking about pain, we're talking about digestion, we're talking about the distribution of hormones. So if you know your hormones are off, we have an answer here. Next, we're going to talk about the digestive system. Now, a lot of people hear things about gluten, they hear things about dairy, I'm sensitive to this, I'm sensitive to that. Ultimately, if this zone is balanced out, you will be able to eat gluten, you will be able to eat dairy, you will be able to do these things. Next is we have the muscle system. So this is all the muscles, tendons, ligaments, bones, and the joints in the body. So this part of the brain is responsible for making sure you have proper muscle tension. Make sure that neck is feeling good, the low back is feeling good, and also have influence on the immune system and the balance. Next, and lastly, is going to be the circulatory system. So this is the part of the brain which controls any fluid or blood flow throughout the body. The arteries, the veins have a big effect on blood pressure, any heart issues like arrhythmias. So the overview here is everything in your body, any issue in your body is due to an imbalance in one of these 6 systems. So you can come in, we can assess which of your 6 systems are out of balance, we can realign that, and when that happens, 2 things begin to happen. When your zones are balanced, your brain can now monitor the organs in each particular system, and when it can monitor it, it can properly regulate it, meaning heal. So if you've had a condition for 10, 15, 20 years, come in. We may be able to help you. As long as you're not bleeding and you don't need stitches, we may be able to help you. So on that note, reach out to me if this piqued up any interest at all. If you have any kind of questions, feel free to reach out to me. My email is going to be right over here. And then you can give us our office a call if you have any questions for me and would like to book an appointment. Thank you, and take care, Milwaukee.